IoT, or the Internet of Things, is the informal, unstructured collection of devices that are connected to each other and to the Internet using sensors, actuators, and other interfacing capabilities. IoT is the next wave in the development of the Internet. It's the bringing together of real and virtual lives in the first step towards building a matrix-like world. IoT market is vast and fast-growing. We are quickly approaching $1 trillion annual revenue, and the growth is double digits, almost 15% in 2018. Close to 30 million devices get added to the Internet every month. That's like adding the population of the United States to the Internet every year. Cisco estimates that by 2020, there will be more than 3 devices per person on IoT. No one knows how high we will go, as our needs to connect to the Hive increase from the trivial, like connecting your fridge, to the mission critical, like connecting your heart monitor. The number of devices will explode. Realistic estimates are in the 100 billion range, and optimistic, futuristic ones are in the trillions. With so many devices connected, the amount of data generated by IoT is enormous and borderline unmanageable. That's where the true opportunity is. Machine learning systems that can autonomously sift through the mountains of data deposited by IoT devices will thrive and help propel AI forward. Machine learning is most effective when the parameters needed are not clear. In essence, when you unleash a competent set of algorithms using machine learning on such unstructured data like the ones generated by IoT devices, you can potentially get answers to questions you haven't even started to ask. IoT is simply the evolution of the Internet. It's already here today, and the changes that will come with it are as exciting as they are mysterious.